Hello guys, my name is Adam and I'm Chief Business Development Officer in Fuse Service, HVAC, Electrical and Plumbing. I want to tell you what I'm living in San Jose, close to the East San Jose, and I own the duplex and I living in one of the half of this duplex and another part I'm renting out. So I recently bought this wonderful duplex in East San Jose, and the thing is, this house didn't have ultra modern day HVAC system, and my company installed on this house the ductless mini split, which I'm going to talk about that right now. So as you can see, I have ductless mini split indoor unit on my living room, and it works great. It's absolutely amazing. It holds temperature I would like to get. And if you know, or maybe don't know, any ductless mini split units like that, they have remotes. This unit does have remotes as well. It is just right here. It's all the time close, and it's used to hard to get this remote by hand and just to manage what's supposed to do this particular unit. So the thing is, all the time when I need to control my temperature, I just use wonderful application which is called Daikin, I suppose to think, because this is a Daikin mini split units, ductless mini split units. So I have two rooms, so you can see here two rooms, and right now master bedroom. One zone it's called master bedroom and it's on. Also I can turn on the living room and voila, it's turning on and starting to get cold this living room. Pretty simple, right? You can get scheduled. You can schedule whenever you get out from the home or come into the home. Very, very convenient. So the beautiful part of this system, it's kind of this. I have two indoor units in my master bedroom and living room, and they are connected to one condenser unit. Another kids room, it's connected to another condenser unit. So this whole duplex does have 3 condensers and 6 zones. Each room does have own indoor ductless unit. Very, very efficient. So when nobody at home, all systems are off. When someone just in one room, one unit's just working. So if I'm sleeping in the master bedroom, so it's running during the night, maybe the day. So right now, for example, I'm running only master bedroom unit. So I no need, for example, living room because I'm feeling very well myself. Outdoor temperature, very nice. So let's take a look outdoor unit and how it looks like and how quiet it is. So right now I'm close to the condenser unit, to the outdoor unit of the Daikin 2x1 system. 2x1 means what this particular condenser unit connected to the 2 indoor units, and right now it's running and I don't even hear any noise. But let me check the app. I don't have to go inside and check what's going on inside. So right now it's reached 74 Fahrenheit, what I controlled by the app on my phone. So I'm getting down lower the temperature. For example, I'm putting down to the 70, and let's take a look how quiet it is. I'm just staying in front of the condenser unit, and the fan starts spinning. You're supposed to hear a kind of noises Right now, I feel what the air comes up to my face, to my body, blows up the air, but it's very quiet. It's very quiet. Nothing, nothing. No, absolutely any noises comes up from the outdoor unit, no noises from the indoor unit, and it is amazing. I don't know what can be wanted more than this wonderful system. So another part of the house does have the same units, and they are working wonderful. So they have small controller which is connecting to the application by Bluetooth, and then this application connecting to the Wi-Fi, and you all the time have an access to your HVAC system inside your house and control from anywhere. If you would like something like that, send us a message on the description below. You're gonna find out our website. You can send us the request for the estimate, and we will be happy to provide one. Thank you very much.